welcome to Insurefit. Today we're going to demonstrate the Starline V66 motorcycle arm. We've adapted this system to a motocross vehicle. Really good idea for quads and this sort of bike as well. These sort of things go missing all the time, even from events. With this particular system, there is an immobiliser cut on the vehicle, so even if they do manage to steal it, it's going to take a lot of faffing around to get the thing started again. They're probably just going to end up dumping it. If the bike does move, a horn will activate, and if you've got the tracker attached to it, it comes with free subscription. You're going to get notifications as soon as the bike moves. The unit's fully waterproof. As you can see, we fitted one successfully to this motocross bike. There's no wires anywhere, you can't even tell the thing's on there, so it's nice and discreet as well. So I'll show you how the system works. It comes with a Bluetooth app, so you connect your phone to the bike. To arm on the bike, simply press the button. 2 flashes is disarm, 4 flashes is arm. If you're using the bike at the weekend for racing, etc., just keep your finger on the button, it'll put it into an orange mode. This will put the bike in valet mode, so ultimately the bike will do what it's meant to do. You've no immobilisation. When you finish your weekend or your day out, take the bike home, leave it at your garage, chain it up and just arm the system again. So what I'll do now, I'll demonstrate what will happen if the bike is moved. So we've lost the Bluetooth pairing between our phone and the bike, so the bike can't see the phone anymore. So just to replicate the bike being tied up in a garage somewhere, we'll give the bike a nudge. As you can see, it's pretty loud, it's pretty effective. If anybody's moving around with this bike, it's just going to stop them from messing around with it any further, really. Cracking little product, 5-year warranty with the kit. Our number is 01254 200 211. If this is something you're interested in, give us a ring. It's a bit of a bespoke installation, so prices will depend on the sort of bike that it's going on or the quad, etc. Thanks for watching.